Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the reverse light. I'm going to put some LED in it, and I got these from Oxito, so link will be in the description if you want to get these LED light for your Honda Passport or any car you want. These are going in the reverse. They are white, and for the Honda Passport it's real easy. You just need to get underneath the car, which the car is already high enough for you to just lay down on your back, get underneath it. So that's what we're gonna do and change it. So link will be in the description along with a coupon code to get like 12% off your order. So if you put in the code go so hard, you will get 12% off your order. So let's get started. Let's get into the video. Let's go underneath the car. So now that we are underneath the car, what we're gonna do is get this right here. This is your reverse. You want to turn it counterclockwise and pull down on it. So it's a 7440 bulb. So as you can see, 7440. So it doesn't matter what car you have, as long as you know your bulb size, it's gonna be the same bulb. So you can see we have a lot of LEDs on this, and we have LED at the top as well. So let's see if it's gonna be brighter. So you want to go ahead and just install it just like this. So what you want to do is install it one way first and check it. If it works, then yeah. If it doesn't work, then you have to take the LED out and switch it around and put it back in. So let's see if that works. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I have the car running. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in reverse, and then we're gonna see which one is brighter. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't know if you can it's not really showing on the camera, so that's what it looked like, yellow, and that's what it looked like, white. So it's not really showing, but to my eyes it's a lot harder to look at because it looked brighter than this yellow light. So to my eyes it looked brighter than this yellow light. So guys, I don't know how I'm gonna show you this, but what I'm gonna do is wait till later down in the night, and I'm gonna do it in the night. So maybe in the night when it's actually showing everything, then you will know for sure which one is brighter. Let me go take the vehicle out apart, or the reverse. So guys, just stay tuned till later. So guys, this is the shot of the light in the night. So you can see that this over here is brighter than this one right here. You can see it even on the ground that the white light is brighter, so it's better. So I know you're seeing this that coming from the exhaust, but it's because outside is a little cooler than the exhaust gas, so you get that right there. But as soon as it's gonna go away, so now you can see the difference. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Alright guys, so here's another close-up look of the bulb, as you can see, and the quality of the bulb feels good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. So I'm gonna have both white reverse light, and it look a lot better with the white reverse light.
And also guys, you don't need no tool for this job. It's real easy. If you did one when you went underneath it, like how you see I did it underneath the vehicle, you do one that way, you can do the other one from just from behind the vehicle. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So it's as easy as that. I'm gonna go ahead and try put it in reverse. We have white light, and back here it's really bright. So that's gonna be the end of this video guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the